before testing to press the test button to do a free swing to verify that our setup is correct. Okay, this number should be very close to 0 or 0 itself. This tiny value right here indicates that the pendulum moved 1 count further than it did during our calibration swing. To perform a test, we then open the door. We take a sample in our tongs, which are specially designed to grab our samples. The notch fits into the tongs, allowing us to center it within the grips, placing it into the jaws, centered. We then close the door, engaging the safety switch, and then we can press the test button, or this test button right here, which releases the pendulum. It breaks the sample and relatches the pendulum, giving us our break value for that particular sample.